Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck with today's quick tip about finishing sprays. What's the difference between crowning glory and finishing touch? Well, crowning glory, you can think of it like a crown. Now I have a tiara on my desk, for a while. You never know when you're going to have the occasion to use it, but I thought it would be a great reference to really think about. Crowning glory is a top sealant. So once you remove a flower from its water source, for a corsage or boutonniere or personal flowers, you have deleted the water source that comes to it. So crowning glory sprayed on your personal flowers is going to help it last a lot longer. So by this, you can see these examples are actually over a week old and the dendrobium is still good. And here you can see one, we used some ranunculus. But this whole piece is a week old, been sprayed with crowning glory and sat outside the cooler, not in a container. So you can see how really that makes a big difference. So finishing touch is more like a moisturizer. And so when you think of that, for example, when I get in orchids, a lot of the orchids, they're way that they draw in water is actually through the back of the flower. So their stomas are on the back of the flower and really don't draw a lot up through the stem. So the first thing I do when I get orchids is I'll spray the back and front with finishing touch, and that's going to add hydration into that bloom. Now that's going to be something that still has a water source. And if I use it in a corsage and boutonniere, I want to do that right away, make sure that it's dry. And then I can top that with crowning glory once I've made the personal flowers. But by using these finishing sprays, you can add vibrance and long lasting to all of your floral arrangements and personal flowers. And so now you know the difference between these finishing sprays. Make sure you use them to add vibrance and long lasting to your fabulous florals. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates.